Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Android Voice Access. Here are some compelling reasons why you should utilize voice recognition on your phone. First, hands-free operation. Second, increased productivity. Third, accessibility. Fourth, efficient web searching. Fifth, improved typing experience. Sixth, language support. To start using voice recognition on your smartphone or Samsung phone, you need to enable the feature and set it up. Open the settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and select Advanced Features. Tap on Motions and Gesture. Scroll down and locate Voice Control or Voice Wake Up. Toggle the switch to enable voice recognition. Once you have enabled voice recognition, you may have the option to set up your voice profile. This will train your Samsung phone to recognize your voice more accurately and improve the accuracy of voice commands. To set up, open the voice control or voice wake up settings again. Tap on Set up voice recognition or a similar option. Then read and agree to the terms and conditions presented. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the voice training process. This typically involves repeating a set of provided phrases or sentences to allow your phone to learn and adapt to your unique voice. Once you have completed the voice training process, your Samsung phone will be ready to respond to your voice commands. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for another video.